Hi guys, it's Toby here and
Coco.
And today we're going to be cooking because we're not very good at cooking and we thought we'd give it a go. Do you want to try cooking?
Yes.
Yeah, so it's been a while since we've actually spoken to everyone. So sorry. So you can say sorry. You can say sorry?
Sorry.
Yeah, it's nice. So we're in Japan and we're now going to try some Japanese cooking. So let's see what happens. What are we making today, Coco?
Egg and
Egg?
we're making hamburgers.
That's right. That's right. So what are you holding?
Egg.
Why do you need an egg?
Because I want to crush it.
But you can't just crush the egg. But what are you going to mix the crushed egg in the hamburger?
Yes.
But what else do you put in a hamburger?
Milk
Okay.
and
Milk. Yes. That is a thing called mirin.
mirin. And we need
Pankot,
panko.
which is dried breadcrumbs.
And we need onion to make the hamburgers.
Okay. So, for safety reasons, I've already cut the onions, haven't I?
Yeah.
Yeah, because you don't want to touch the knife, do you?
No, we didn't because you're going to burn your finger.
And they're going to cut your finger, not burn your finger.
It's going to be ouchie, ouchie, ouchie.
Yes, that's right. Okay, so now what do we do? What do we do with the onions? I've got a bowl here. So, do we put the onions in the bowl?
Yes.
Do you put the bowl on your head?
No.
Are you sure?
No.
Put the bowl on your head?
No.
Okay, alright. So get the onions. You want to put them in here?
That one?
No, the onions.
That one?
No, onions.
That one?
That's the onions. Okay, sorry, alright, be careful with the egg. Okay. Okay, pass the onions, please. Oh. There you go. Okay. You're still holding on to the egg. What do you want to do with the egg? To crush it. Okay, now you've got to put the onions in the bowl. Alright, I'll hold the egg. Yeah. No. Alright, I'll tell you what, this is probably a bad idea. Why don't I do the onions for you and you hold the egg?
Yes.
Okay, alright, there you go. Alright, you got the egg? Okay, you hold the bowl and I'll get the onions. Now, where do I put the onions?
In here.
Oh, okay. In there. Have you washed the bowl? Alright, let's just wash it. Nice and clean now.
Okay.
Alright, so stick the onions in.
Set it up.
Is it in?
Yes, it is.
Is it in?
Yes.
Alright, it's all on my hands.
Wash it then.
I'll wash it now.
Don't do the egg.
Huh?
The egg.
Yeah, we've got to do that now. So, let's quickly get the egg. Okay, now, but no, you have to do it. No, hold on. You want to smash it, don't you?
Yeah.
Well, you can't just smash it. But just, okay, tap it gently on the side. Here. Tap here. Go. Bit more. Bit more so it goes crack. Ready? And crack. Harder. That's it. Okay, alright, now cut it open, push it. You have to, that's it. You're doing it? Whoa.
It's cross my hand all the way.
Okay, well, that's the result. So you got the eggshell in the bowl, but where's the egg?
Here. I missed it.
You missed it. Okay, should we try again?
Yes.
Alright.
Because I'm not ready to squash it.
Okay, alright. You don't crush it, you crack it. It's cracking the egg.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Because you've crushed the egg there. That's crushing the egg, but this is cracking the egg, yeah? You ready? 1, 2, 3.
Yeah.
Okay. Ooh, I cracked it. Okay. Oh. Ready? Do you want to do it or do you want me to do it?
You can do it.
Yay!
I want to mix it.
You want to mix it? Alright, go for it. Now keep it in the bowl, please.
Yeah.
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 No, in the bowl. Keep it in the bowl. I'll do it. Go. Done. Oh. My hands are very dirty. Alright. That's that one done. Okay, now, what do we
need milk.
A little bit of milk? But I think we need meat as well. What? Yeah?
And we need meat. We need to get meat now.
We need the meat.
Yeah, meat.
And
Meat.
You ready? 1, 2, 3. Good. Okay, we got the meat. Alright, let's open
Papa
this
very
up.
good.
Huh?
Papa very good at catching the egg from and egg.
Alright.
Egg.
You want to put it in?
Yes, and onion.
I'll put it in. Ready?
1, 2,
Alright.
3.
Alright, good.
We need a milk.
Okay. Can you get... do you want me to get it? Sit down. How much... You hold the bowl.
Okay.
How much milk? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, that'll do, won't it? Now we need a bit of milling. Ooh. I think that will do. Egg? Yeah? Don't drop it. Don't drop it. And
Something.
breadcrumbs.
Wow.
Probably a bit too much breadcrumbs. But anyway, do you want to show everyone?
What we made
What is it?
is hamburgers.
Okay, now this is the best bit. We're going to get our hands dirty. Are you ready? Okay, go. Stick your hands in. Is that it? All you're doing is brushing off the breadcrumbs. What are you doing that for?
Because it's too much.
Would you like me to do it?
Yes.
Okay.
No.
We have one hamburger.
Yes.
Eat it.
No. Because it's in my leg.
I didn't mean to get it on your leg. You put your leg in my hamburger. Don't put your leg in my hamburger.
No, I'm not. You do.
Okay, another hamburger. Does that look good?
Yes.
Here they are, going in the oven. Isn't that good, Coco? We'll close this up, shall we? And then we've got to push the buttons. Okay, so it's I think it's that one. I think it's that one. And I think it says hamburger. Hamburg. Hang on again, ready?
Is it ready now?
Shall we have a look? Alright, let's have a look. Ready? Let's see. Alright, here we go. Oh, that looks like it's done.
Yes, just open it.
Okay, alright. Let's go and get ready for dinner. You're going to say thank you very much to everyone?